Hello everyone, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at another case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is a Spigen case. It's a standard Tough Armor case. And this one has MagSafe as well. So if you go on the Amazon website, it's Spigen Magnetic Tough Armor MagFit, designed for iPhone 15 Pro Max case, and military grade protection with a kickstand. And it's compatible with MagSafe. And it has different colors there. You can get it in abyss green, black, gunmetal, metal slate. Kind of curious to see what that looks like. Yeah, I picked up the black one. That metal slate looks kind of nice too. There's the gunmetal. Yeah, it looks pretty good too. And the green looks a little more kind of blue-green. You can get it with a coupon. I believe it's 10% off, 5% off coupon. So I picked up the black one because I got the black iPhone. It should be coming Friday. You know, I was going to wait to get the actual phone before I open these cases, but you know, you kind of need a case before you get the phone. So I figured, well, I'll just go ahead and do the overview now of the case. And maybe when the phone comes, I'll just kind of try them on. But it's your standard Spigen case. This is a pretty common brand. So go ahead and open it up. This comes in simple packaging. Has that kind of internal feel there that sort of feels pretty good in the hand. It's got that. The one thing I didn't like about these cases before is this little kickstand feels a little flimsy. So I've ordered this before. I really do like the feel of it. They've really softened the feel of the plastic here. It's got like a rubbery, it's more of a rubbery feel actually. It feels a lot better. The good thing about this case is the camera portion doesn't smash in, so I can put some pressure on it. Feels pretty good. Now this is kind of a little bit of a controversy here. Do you like the circle or not? The only thing I don't like about these circle cases is over time I kind of feel like they discolor the metal. Like your metal will look sort of discolored here because it's constantly being exposed. So it's just something to keep in mind. Although you will get to use that tap, the Apple Tap feature. So, you know, it's kind of a trade-off there. I don't know if I'll go with this one, but I do like the way it feels. I get a sense, and I'm going to go ahead. This is the 15. This is the Plus here. Sorry about that. Let me get this out of the way here. This is the 15 Plus model, and so I want to see how it sort of fits in. It doesn't like the other one. Yeah, see, it's a little thin. Doesn't quite fit in there. It fits kind of long ways, but the 14 Plus doesn't fit. So again, it's a little thinner. So the new iPhones are going to be a little thinner. Just wanted to kind of show you how that is. Overall, it's pretty solid. I do like the way that it fits. Whoa, wait a minute here. Oh, it kind of comes. Oh, it comes. Oh, okay. So you can kind of take this apart. Okay, I didn't know that. I didn't know these came apart like that. So it's kind of like that old Duo Pro case. I'm not sure if it's supposed to come apart because it doesn't feel like it should. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I guess it does. So there it is coming apart there. So I guess the MagSafe is right here. And yeah, there you go. So I guess it comes apart. I didn't realize it came apart so easily. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this right here. This feels really flimsy. I'm curious to see how it would hold. I mean, there's no weight on it right now, but not a big fan of that little kind of cheapy kickstand there. I'll try some MagSafe on it. So it has MagSafe. Here's a wallet I have from ESR. Yeah, it holds on pretty good. You really got to shake it there. Sorry about that. I mean to shake it. Yep. So that'll work. It's a little high there, but it's okay. Here's the official Apple wallet with MagSafe. It sticks right to there. Okay, so it has a kickstand, so then, you know, it'll cover the kickstand. So if you have the wallet on there, you know, it might be, that's actually, let me see if I got it on right. Okay. It kind of came off a little bit. I kind of don't like the way, I don't like the way it slides there. And I have it on there straight. Not sure. So coming in out of your pocket, I'm not sure how that would work. Let me try the ESR one again. Yeah, it kind of does the same thing. I don't know if they all do that. You know, this one really sticks. So this is the pop socket, pop grip mat for MagSafe. This one is a sticky one. So this one doesn't budge usually. So let's try that. Okay, so that's not budging. Yeah, okay. Maybe because of the thickness there, I'm not really sure. But again, this is the Spigen Tough Armor Pro. It's kind of a sort of go-to case that I use sometimes. But I guess, you know, if you want to pay, it's 25 bucks, 26 bucks, you get a 5% coupon. Depending upon the color you get, it could be up to $27.99, $26.99. Ranges between like $24 and $26.99. Spigen, you know, they don't overcharge too much. It's not like Taurus with their ridiculous prices for like the Z Fold 5 case. But I like the way it feels. It's pretty grippy. You know, I'm really curious to get that phone because, man, it does feel, these cases, they feel a lot easier to hold. And this is a Pro Max. I almost feel like, I mean, yeah, my 13 Pro felt like a brick. And it felt kind of wide and kind of heavy. I mean, obviously I can't feel the weight of it, but this feels kind of nice. I'm not saying it's as slim as the S23 Ultra. I'm curious to know if it is actually, but it feels pretty nice. It looks like there's a little bit more of it's kind of like a rounded feel here than the very straight 13 Pro and 14 Pro Max. I know that's what they've said about it, but based on these cases that I'm trying out, actually, I can sort of see that. Anyway, again, this is a Spigen Tough Armor case. You can find it on Amazon for 24 bucks. I like it. I think I'll see how it goes. The only concern I have is the flimsiness or the perceivable flimsiness of this kickstand. And, you know, it is coming apart, like, it does come apart kind of easily there. Kind of weird that it just came apart like that. Obviously, if you have the phone in there, I guess it wouldn't come apart as easily, but I didn't even do anything. It's just kind of popping right out there. Anyway, okay, well, it's a solid case. I do like the feel of it, like the feel. Not too crazy about this. I like the strength here. It doesn't pop down too much. That might be a little bit flimsy if you were to drop it right there. So the only phone I ever broke, it was a Pixel. It was a Nexus actually, 3 or 4, and it just happened to fall on a stair right at the corner of a concrete stair, and it hit right there, and it just bloop, cracked it all the way up there. So that's the only time I ever broke a phone. It just was a weird thing, but yeah, I kind of like some things about it. Not sure about how that MagSafe is going to work. It does the pop socket one that this thing sucks to everything, so that did actually hold well. But this one, you know, this nasty MagSafe wallet, yeah, not sure about going in and out of the pocket on that one. Anyway, well, that'll be all for now for this one. I'm kind of rambling on at this point, so if you stayed here with me, appreciate it. But again, Spigen Tough Armor, iPhone 15 Pro Max. I would say give it a shot and see what you think about it. I can kind of go either way with it. When I get it on the phone, I'll have a better idea. But again, I debate it. Do I do this now or later? But I kind of feel like, probably do it now because you're going to need to buy one of these cases when you get your phone. So hopefully I'll get mine Friday like it's scheduled to come. Got the UPS notice finally, so we'll see what happens. All right, well, that's all for now. Take care of yourself. Hope your family's well. Hope you're well, and see you the next time. Take care.